Hey guys, so today I just wanted to check out a Ulefone phone. This is the Metal, which you can get for about €100, so very affordable, and it coming with some nice looking display and specifications. So we're going to check it out and see, what it's all about here. So this is the device. Very nice box as well. Oh, stuck in there quite tight. There we go. So this is coming, I think, with a 5-inch form factor, octa-core processor, 30 megapixel camera, Touch ID, Android 6.0, and 3000 mAh battery. And straight away it reminds me a little bit of the HTC kind of one design, which is very nice to see. Curved as well on the back. Let's have a look at what else you're getting. So SIM tool, charger. Let's see, is this a fast charger? Is it a fast charger? That's what I want to see. So I think it's just average, but for €100 I'm not complaining. I mean, seriously. So let's get it unpeeled here. Very nice. So you can see we have the fingerprint sensor on the back here. Wow, feels better built than some top kind of phones. I mean, seriously, LG could take some steps here from this one. I'm just gonna get rid of this green protector because they just frustrate me, I can't be doing with them. There we go. You see, I like the uniformness of a screen, and I think some other features that we are getting is nice 2.5D Corning glass, so that should be nice for the actual image. You can see old style USB and a headphone jack. So what does this boot up like? Do we have a unique jingle? IMX149 for the camera at the back. 3 gigs of RAM, 16 gigs internal storage, and some nice optimizations. So 5G support, wireless AC. I mean, this phone makes phones like the Galaxy J3, which is probably about the same price, look like trash. Or the HTC Desire 530, which comes with probably the worst specs I've ever seen in my life. So let's just go through this, and we're in. Oh, I like eagles, or is it a hawk? one of the two. So we're just going to try and get the display on the max here. So that is on the max, and you can see the display is relatively good here. Could be a little bit brighter, but as long as it does the job, that's the main thing. And you can see everything seems to open up pretty quick. We do have this UI here, which may take some getting used to, as well as this thing, which is like a smart thing. So where's the Android? So you do get the patch level for May, which is not too bad, and it looks like they have an update area, so that is good. Hopefully they will keep it up to date. And this is the camera. So what do we have? We have Sony to take a picture of. And it seems to be relatively sharp. That is what I want to see, which is nice. And do you get any interesting modes? Let's see. So you do get some things like anti-flicker, beauty face, and some other stuff. Very nice. So do we have what sort of video recording is the quality? Quality is fine, you can go to, we'll have that. So I'm assuming that's full HD. So I'll definitely do a review of this one, you know, seeing if it's worth your time or not. But so far the impression seems to be pretty good. I think it's a MediaTek octa-core, so I am noticing that it's feeling quite snappy here, but obviously the real test comes through putting it through its paces. And that 5G Wi-Fi support's very good on a device of this price. So yeah, just a quick little video checking out the Ulefone Metal. If you got any questions, you let me know. I'll leave a link in the description as well if you want to get one in. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers.